reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Honda Goldwing. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda Goldwing. This iconic machine has been setting the standard for touring motorcycles for decades, and the latest model is no exception. Background and description. The Honda Goldwing is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Goldwing's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Advanced electronics. Features like traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes enhance safety and convenience. Comfortable ergonomics. The Goldwing offers a relaxed riding position with plenty of wind protection and a comfortable seat. Spacious storage. Ample storage space in the saddlebags and top case for long journeys. Luxurious features, heated grips, heated seats, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Target audience and relevance. The Goldwing is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Goldwing has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Goldwing is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Honda Goldwing stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced electronics make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Honda Goldwing is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the Goldwing is definitely worth considering.